Have you ever wondered who the first woman to conquer the final frontier was? It's a tale that takes us back to the early 60s, when the space race was in full swing and the world was watching with bated breath. Amidst this, a woman emerged from the Soviet Union, shattering the glass ceiling of the cosmos. Her name was Valentina Tereshkova. Tereshkova was not just an astronaut. She was a beacon of hope, a symbol of progress, a testament to the indomitable spirit of women worldwide. In June of 1963, she embarked on a journey that would etch her name in the annals of history. Aboard the Vostok 6, she orbited our home planet 48 times, spending almost 3 days in space, a feat no woman had achieved before. And so, with her voyage, Tereshkova didn't just travel to space. She ventured into the realm of possibility, inspiring generations of women to dream. Tereshkova paved the way for many more women to dream beyond the stars. While Russia had its pioneer, America was not far behind. Enter Sally Ride, a name synonymous with courage and determination. Born in the heart of Los Angeles, Ride was a physicist by training, but a space explorer by choice. In 1983, she rocketed into history as the first American woman to breach the final frontier. Her journey into space was more than just a personal achievement. It was a giant leap for womankind. As she floated in the vast expanse of the cosmos, she shattered the glass ceiling that had kept women grounded for centuries. But Ride's contributions to space exploration didn't end with her historic flight. Upon her return to Earth, she served on the investigation boards of the Challenger and Columbia space shuttle disasters, providing invaluable insights that helped shape the future of American space travel. Her keen scientific mind and unwavering dedication to safety ensured that future astronauts could journey into space with confidence. But perhaps Ride's most enduring legacy is her commitment to education. She founded Sally Ride Science, a company dedicated to inspiring young people, especially girls, to pursue their passions in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Through her work, she ignited a spark in the next generation, a spark that continues to burn brightly in the hearts of young explorers today. Ride's legacy continues to inspire generations of young explorers. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance, the importance of science, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. Next, we move on to a woman who left her footprints not just in space but on Earth as well. Meet Catherine D. Sullivan, a name etched in the annals of space exploration. A distinguished astronaut, Sullivan became the first American woman to walk in space in the year 1984. But her contributions don't stop at the stratosphere. A trained oceanographer, Sullivan's fascination with the unknown didn't just extend upwards, but also plunged into the depths of our very own oceans. Her explorations of the deep sea have added to our understanding of this largely uncharted territory, just as her spacewalks expanded our knowledge of the cosmos. But perhaps what makes Sullivan's career even more remarkable is her dedication to public education. Through her work, she has strived to make complex scientific and technological concepts accessible to everyone, inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. As we reflect on Sullivan's journey, it's clear to see that for her, the sky was not the limit. What if you had to spend nearly a year in space? Imagine floating through the vast expanse of the cosmos, the Earth a small blue marble in the sea of stars. This was the reality for Peggy Whitson, a woman who dared to dream beyond the confines of our atmosphere and broke records doing so. Peggy Whitson, a biochemist turned astronaut, spent a staggering 660 days in space across 3 missions. That's almost 2 full years away from Earth's familiar grounds. And during her time in the great unknown, she didn't just float around. No, Peggy was the first woman to take command of the International Space Station, a testament to her leadership and exceptional skill. Whitson's role as commander of the ISS wasn't merely symbolic, though. She led numerous scientific investigations, contributing significantly to our understanding of life in space. From studying how microgravity affects the human body, to advancing our knowledge on plant growth in space, her contributions have been invaluable. Her record-breaking mission didn't just set a new standard for female astronauts, it also changed the narrative of space exploration. Whitson's journey is a powerful reminder that the cosmos is not a playground reserved solely for men. Her story is a beacon of inspiration for future generations of women who dare to reach for the stars and beyond. It tells them that they too can command spacecrafts, break records, and contribute to humankind's understanding of the universe. Whitson's record is a testament to the endurance and resilience of women in space, Now let's turn our gaze towards the most recent milestone in women's space exploration. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, a star named Christina Koch has shone brightly, etching her name in the annals of space history. Hailing from the United States, Koch embarked on a journey that would redefine the boundaries of women's achievements in space. In December of 2019, Koch set a record that would inspire countless young women around the globe. She completed the longest single spaceflight by a woman, spending a staggering 328 days aboard the International Space Station. Yes, you heard it right, nearly an entire year in space. This feat surpassed the previous record by a whopping 42 days, proving yet again that the sky is not the limit for women in space exploration. But Koch's journey wasn't just about breaking records. It was also about contributing to the scientific understanding of space and its effects on the human body. During her stay aboard the International Space Station, she participated in hundreds of research projects, studying everything from the effects of microgravity on the human body to the behavior of fire in space. In a historic moment, Koch, along with astronaut Jessica Meir, performed the first all-female spacewalk in October of 2019. This was not just a momentous occasion for women in space, but a symbol of progress for women in science, technology, engineering, and math fields worldwide. Christina Koch's voyage was not just a journey through space, but a journey of progress and perseverance. She has shown us that women are not just capable of reaching the stars, but they are also capable of changing our understanding of the universe. As Koch's journey shows, the story of women in space is still being written, and we can't wait to see what the next chapter brings.